I ordered some sewing tools from TEMU, and I'll be doing the unboxing and sharing with you guys those items and the amount I bought them. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Esther, and today's video is all about unboxing those items I got from TEMU. Okay, today is not the regular sewing tutorial, okay, and I'm sure you might be interested in some of these items, so I'm going to be unboxing it right now, so stay tuned. So the first item here is this ironing protective cloth or ironing mesh pad. Okay, this will make ironing very easy, okay, and it will protect your fabric from getting burnt. So I think this is a good buy. I can't really remember the amount I got them, but I'm going to display it on the screen for you to see. So this is the ironing mesh, and you can see how it looks. So I think it's a very good buy. So the next item I got is this wrist needle holder. Okay, this will be very useful. Okay, while working, you can just place this on your wrist. Okay, it's very easy to use, and I will just insert the pins, okay, that I'll be using on it, and it's not bad as well. It has elastic, so I think it can fit into anybody's wrist. So this is what it looks like. So the third item I'll be unboxing is this tape measure. I bought this tape measure not because I don't have a tape measure. I have about 2 or 3 or more, but I like this because it's very colorful, and from the review I got, it's very nice and strong. So this is the way it is. It is multicolored. It has red, white, green. It's very nice. Okay, this is what it looks like. The next item I got is this pearl pins. Okay, this is like office pin, but the head is made of pearl. So this is it. I believe it's going to pierce fabrics very well. I also read the reviews of these pins. So one thing you should do whenever you want to buy any item from TEMU is to check the review. The people that have purchased the item, what is their experience like? What are they saying about the particular item? Okay, when you buy a good item, of course you're going to leave a good review. So I checked the review of all the items I got, and I feel that they are actually nice. So this looks very sharp and fine, and this is what it looks like. You can see it's multicolored as well, and I think I like the case as well. It's well packaged. So the next item is this 4 pieces ripper set. I think it will be very useful in ripping. Yes, like cutting of thread, and then yeah, you can see what it looks like. This is like a small scissors. I used to have one, but it got damaged, so I had to order for this. So this is what it looks like. This is the other one, this is the third one, and the fourth one. So more like these two are actually the same, but this is bigger while this is smaller. Okay, and this is what this looks like. Yeah, instead of using blade, you can make do with this, and this is very effective. Like, I really love this because it's very effective in cutting. You understand? You want to cut thread instead of using scissors, you just make do with this. So this is very nice. 4 pieces ripper set. The next item is this mixed colored wooden buttons. Yeah, I just came across it randomly and I think I like it because I want to use it for my DIY project. So this is what the button looks like. I'm going to snap it and share with you guys on the screen for you to see well. It's 50 pieces and I think it's also quite cheap. Although it is light, it's not weighty, but then it's nice. It's a very good one. So I got this. This is 50 pieces. I also got these double-sided leaf patches. I randomly came across it and I think I like it. You can use it to design hats, clothes and bag, you understand, or even shoes. So I also got it for one of my DIY projects. Okay, so this is the way it looks. It is 100 pieces actually. I also got 3 pieces of this material. It's also like suitable for DIY projects. Okay, so I think this is the way it looks. Very small, but I love the texture as well. So I got 3 of these for one of my DIY projects. So you can see how it is. This is the wrong side, while this is the right side, and I think it's very nice as well, and it's affordable. So you can see the texture is very thick and nice. So I got 3 of these. This is the other 2 pieces. Okay, and lastly I got this 4 material. 4, yes, I think this is about a yard. It can be used to design clothes or any other thing you feel like designing. So this is the way it looks. So what do you think about these items that I got? Is it a good buy? Although I did not mention the price, but I'm going to be displaying the prices I got them. Okay, and yeah, I will also share the links of the items with you in case you're interested in buying them. All right, so this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. If you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so, and if you are a subscriber, thank you for your support. Do well to click on the like button, share with your friends, and drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Jesus loves you. Bye.